This is our high-temperature brazing furnace in BYD factory. The features of our high-temperature furnace are: 1. The use of high-performance refractory materials ensures that the furnace has excellent thermal insulation performance and the equipment has no load loss. The brazing furnace protective atmosphere gas distribution system and airtight protection curtain are finely designed and manufactured to ensure low consumption of high-purity nitrogen, making the entire equipment energy-saving and gas-saving, and reducing the user's production and operation costs. 2. Fine and reasonable heating furnace zoning. High-precision advanced temperature control instrument hardware selection and software parameter adjustment, so that the furnace temperature control accuracy is extremely high, plus or minus 0.2, and the product temperature difference in the brazing area, 575-610, is less than or equal to plus or minus 3. 3. The use of advanced variable frequency speed control system enables the workpiece to achieve steepless speed transmission, accurately controls the running time of the workpiece in each heating zone, and ensures the accurate realization of the aluminum brazing heating curve. 4. The use of high-precision oxygen analyzer provides advanced means for real-time and accurate measurement of the atmosphere in the aluminum brazing furnace. 5. The water cooling zone of the brazing furnace ensures that the cooling temperature of the aluminum brazing process is controllable, meets the requirements of the process curve, and ensures that the metallographic structure of the workpiece brazing weld is fine and dense. 6. The advanced and complete control system realizes the integration and intelligence of the production line, and the control, warning and protection system ensures the safe and reliable operation of the production line. For more product videos, please subscribe to our channel.